Hello, Kristen. This is Dave from ChiefTutor.com. Thank you for sending in your plan. Okay, so you were talking about this roof, and I think this is the gable you're trying to create on the side of the house. There's also like a little porch sunroom in the back there, but really what you're trying to do, I think, is put that gable through here and leave those two gables. Because when I open up your plan, it looks like you have pretty much the whole thing built correctly in the front. But I think what you're after is this gable just coming straight through. And hopefully that's going to be easy for you. So yeah, I would have drawn this manually, but let's go ahead and do it because I know you're just set the roof to like automatic. So let's just do it that way. So what I would do first is I'm going to select this wall and let's go down. Let's put the icons back down to where yours are, like this. If I select this wall, you'll notice this icon pops up, align with walls below. Because you have a foundation and steps that you were doing, I'm just going to keep it all in line. So I'm going to select this invisible wall and I'm going to align it. I'm going to go up one level, and this is the attic wall. And we'll notice if we turn on our layers, it's not exactly lined up perfectly. So let's go ahead and do that as well. So now all these walls are lined up. That always helps when you're building the roof. So from this point, I would take my porch, and it looks like you have a CAD line around there. I'm just going to delete it for now, just to show you. Like if I were to take this CAD line and put it right in the corner of that porch you have, I'm going to have the little icon or my cursor just pick it up. I'm just going to go straight across because I want this line to dictate to this wall that I want this part of the wall as gable. So now that I have that line drawn, I can go to my wall cut tool, this guy here, wall break tool. I'm going to come right in here and I'm going to break the wall right there. And it allows me just this part of the wall to be gabled, which I'll hit gable. And you'll see it pulls it right through and corrects your problem. So that's all you really need to do. Just cut that wall right about there, level to this plane, and it'll grab the roof plane going straight through and make it look all pretty. Well, thanks for sending in your file. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you next time.